Hi and welcome to Chiquita's Crochet. As promised, I'm going to start from zero. We're going to start with the slip knot today. I just wanted to share this old magazine, 1974. It used to be 50 cents. Coates and Clark's, book number 210-A, Learn to Crochet. Vintage yarn, and it has quite nice patterns in here. I'm going to share one. Look at that one. That's one of the projects I would like to do, hopefully soon. And there is another one right there. If you want me to share some of the projects in these vintage, because I have more magazines, let me know. Okay, I have the hook 5.5. Usually for beginners, I've seen a lot of people, and I do recommend start with big ones, thicker ones. Let's see. You can, these are for like thicker yarn hooks. This is size 8.0 millimeter. Excuse me. Use this with a thicker yarn. There are smaller ones, thinner ones, 3.25, and also tiny ones. Okay, those are we will talk about different size hooks. For now, we're going to do the slip knot. Okay, you need any kind of yarn, scrap yarn, any kind of yarn. This is the way I learned, so I'm going to show you this way or different ways. You put the tail end to the yarn like this on top of your 4 fingers. Go around, go up, almost all the way, but halfway you crisscross. You hold it with your hand like this, a little bit loose. Go under the first yarn, grab the second, pull through, and do it again. Under, over, pull, and you can twist up or just pull, let go and pull both, and then you could pull, and you got a slip knot. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let me see if I can go out a little bit. Apparently not with this camera. Zoom. Okay. Let's do it again. Tail. Go around. You can do 2 fingers also. Cross. This is my wind chime she's growling at. Go under, over, pull, and you can let go of your fingers and then pull, just like that. Okay. The easy way for me, well, the fastest way that I do is just do it like this. If you don't want to do it with the hook, much easier. Go around 1 finger, go across, put it like the same, pull it up, grab the back one and pull through. Okay. Okay, do it again. Go 1 finger behind like this. Or you can let go. You also can let go, it doesn't matter. Pull up, grab the yarn behind, pull through, let go. You can put it on your hook and pull. Like that. I used to do one that my mom taught me a long time ago was like this. You go, put your hook here, go over, twist one more time, grab the yarn and pull, and there you go. But that makes a chain also. So if you like that one to have the chain already, that's a good one too. Some I've seen they just tighten it and start chaining from there. Okay, I'll show you this one one more time. If you like that one with the chain, place your hook, push back a little, twist your whole hook, flip it up, pull, grab some yarn, pull through, and you already have, if you can see that there, that's a chain right there with your slip knot. Okay, I hope you like it, and we'll go from there and do another video for the chain. Thank you for watching. Bye.